Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Tiguan. With Volkswagen Tiguan, it's good to be turbo. Turbo with class, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, four-wheel independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
Every certified pre-owned Volkswagen comes with a limited warranty, 24-hour roadside assistance, and peace of mind knowing that it passed a comprehensive inspection. That's 3 major reasons to go out and buy yourself a certified pre-owned Volkswagen. See your dealer for details.